Hello everyone, this is Mudassar Ahmad Saeed. I have been teaching mathematics for 20 years. In this course, I will teach you area and perimeter of all the geometrical shapes. All the geometrical shapes. All the geometrical shapes. Different colors have been used during the lectures so that you can understand well. You will be taught all the formulas of area and perimeter of all the geometrical shapes and an investigation of a rectangle and parallelogram and their relationship between them. This course is designed for primary and high school students. After this course, you will be passionate about mathematics. See you in course. Join me in this course. Let's start math.
Let's play math. Math is a fun. Wake up Pythagoras in you. See you in Math Fun Factory.